This is a video of us making a cup of noodles, right, Ted?
That's right.
Yeah. Are you eating an apple? Oh, that's a cookie.
It's a cookie.
Right. Okay. What we do is we open the box and we look at them. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. They are trying to have a talk. Leave them alone.
Yeah,
I'm recording us about making a cup of noodles.
Dude, man, I'm gonna be a cop.
I'm recording of us making a cup of
Are we
noodles.
gonna be a cop too?
No way! You want me to
I'm recording of us making a cup of noodles. Don't worry. We're making a cup of noodles. Okay. Come here, Karina. Let's go. Aaron or Kaylee are kind of in the room right now.
What?
So we're not gonna fuck with them. Oh, that's what they're doing.
What's this thing?
Okay. Oh, this is a good cookie. You gotta eat this. Oh, it's
We gotta
wet.
get this on YouTube.
Okay.
Take a fork.
Yeah.
This is
You
the
gotta put water in that
I'm
shit.
putting water in it.
Hot water. Hot water.
Dude, this is all the people that were like strong enough to like.
You need more than that
Hot
shit.
water.
That's fine. That's fine. It's fine.
Hot water. Hot water.
Yeah, you already know. Look.
Y'all already know. We don't give a fuck about a nigger on a hono. Give a fuck about the hoe, putting a bitch up on the track and putting rain in. Okay, let's make some hot noodles.
Dude, I was gonna fucking like.
Hey, there's still more drink if you guys want some.
Hey, Angela! You said it at 3:50 for 3 minutes?
Really? Show me how it works, nigga.
It's right there, dude.
Oh, Ted. Your girlfriend is so beautiful. She's my best friend.
You can stay over the
No.
Dude, man.
No, Nicole's my best friend in the whole world. Don't fuck with her.
Why couldn't Nicole be here? That's what I want.
I know. I asked her, but she didn't
I
want to.
invited her. I go, Nicole, you should have come. And Ted came, but not Nicole. So it's like, where'd Nicole?
Nicole, you're my best friend and I love you.
Where the fuck are my keys?
Fuck you, Danny. You're my best friend, Nicole.
There's
Fuck you, you, and
Fuck
you.
me?
No, not you.
Fuck
You're cool.
Fuck you.
And you, but not you, Nicole, because you're my best friend.
Is that,
And you're beautiful.
is that what you said?
Fine, I'm giving you 40 and you're saying fuck me? What the fuck?
No.